Hello friends, this is Amit Agrawal once again welcoming you all in this video tutorial. Today in this video we are going to talk about the product that you are seeing on your screen. That's right, we are going to talk about Trade Copier. This is much awaited and much needed product. So with this video we are going to launch this product. It copies the trade from one master account to multiple child accounts. This product as of now is compatible with three brokers, that is Alice Blue Ant, Zerodha Kite and Upstock. So you can have a master account in either of three. Like you can have a master account in Alice Blue and you can have the child accounts in Alice Blue, Zerodha and Upstock. So one master account, and the trade that you make in that master account, the same trade get instantly copied to all your child accounts. So that is the beauty of this product. So let us further understand how this product works. To get more details about this product, you need to go to vcharting.com. Under products, you can go to Trade Copier. Trade Copier can be used for manual trading, as well as it can be clubbed with auto trading or easy trading also. So any person who is handling multiple accounts, like any person who is doing portfolio management system, like any sub broker who is doing PMS, this product should be ideal for him. Like he can do manual trading in one master account, and the trade will be copied to all the child accounts that he has associated with that master account. uh, Same way you can use an auto trader or easy trader in master account, and the auto trader which takes the trade in master account, the trade copier will copy all those trade in child accounts. Then comes the pricing part of this product, but before that, let us understand and let us see a live demo of this product, and later on in this video we will understand the pricing of this product. We have developed a separate website for this product. The name is tradecopier.in. This website is managed and developed by vcharting. So on this, I need to enter my email ID and my password, and I will log in. So this is the main page of this product, Trade Copier. So here you can see you can add the master accounts and the child accounts. You can add the master account of Zerodha Kite, Upstocks or Alice Blue Ant, and same way you can add multiple child accounts. So let me add the master account of Alice Blue Ant. You need to put a unique name, like any name I can put. I have put Ant Master. I'm putting the user ID, password, and the answer. You need to make sure the answers are the common answer. Like the security answer should be common. Okay, and I will save it. So the master account has been added. Now I can add the child account. So first I will add the child account of Zero the Kite. I am entering the login ID, password and the pin, and I will save it. So one child account has been added. Now I am adding the Upstock account. Same way in Upstocks I am adding I'm entering the login ID, password and my passcode. So once I click on save, the child account for Upstocks also added. I'm adding the Ant Alice Blue Ant account also. Here also I need to make sure the answers are same, and I click save, and you can see I have added three child accounts and one master account. So that's it. That is all you have to do. Now let the trade copier do the magic for you. Let me open my Alice Blue Ant Web master account. I am logging into my master account. So this is Google Chrome where I have opened my master account. I am opening another browser, Mozilla Firefox, and I am logging into my child accounts in Mozilla Firefox, so that on the same system I can show you how the trades are copied from master to child accounts. I'm entering the details of child account here. Okay, so I have logged into the child account. Currently in the orders section, you can see there are no pending or no orders executed as of now. There are zero orders. Now let me go back to the master account. Here also you can see there are zero orders. So there are no orders executed as of now. Now let me execute a buy trade. Let me take a buy trade in Tata Motors. I am going to place a market trade. Okay, I am putting MIS and I am clicking on buy. So now you can see one Tata Motors share has been purchased. So one buy trade has been executed of Tata Motors. Now you can see the same trade has been copied into my child account also. I am logging into Zero the Kite, and let me check whether the trade has been copied here or not. Okay, let me go to orders. Great, you can see the same trade has been executed here also in Zero the Kite. Now let me open the third child account, that is Upstocks. Okay, so I have logged into my Upstocks account, uh, and you can see the trade has been taken here also. I mean, the order has been punched. There is no fund in this account. That's why the order has been rejected. But the order has been copied here in Upstocks also. Now I am again into my master account. Here you can see I have one position that I am going to square off now. So I am again going to take a market order. I am squaring off the position. See, in orders now I have one buy order and the opposite sell trade. Now let us check in my child account. Antwebs sometimes take time to reflect the trades. Even the trade has been taken, but it takes time to reload the page. So I am manually reloading this Antweb. Okay, I'm just refreshing the page. Okay, great. So here you can see the same sell trade has been copied. Now I can see in the portfolio there is a zero position. So the buy trade and the opposite sell trade, both trades have been copied from master to child. Now let us check the same thing in Zero the Kite and Upstocks. Okay, so you can see the sell trade has been copied here also. The position is zero now. Let us check in Upstocks. Okay, so the sell trade, the sell order has been copied here also. Hope you liked the live demo of this very powerful product. Now let us understand the pricing part of it. We have it in three variants. If you want to use this trade copier for manual trading, like if you do not want to use it with auto trader, then you can go for the first variant. The monthly price for trade copier is 10,000 rupees. You can go for half yearly subscription or yearly subscription. If you go for half yearly, you need to pay for 5 months, and if you go for yearly subscription, you need to pay for 9 months. So that is the pricing of trade copier. The other variant is, if you want to club this auto trader with trade copier, then the pricing will be 13,000 rupees monthly. Same way, if you go for half yearly and yearly, there will be some discounts. uh, the third variant is, you can set up this auto trader and trade copier onto VPS. So I mean, if there is any power issue, or if there is any internet issue, then your auto trading and trade copying doesn't get interrupted. So if you want to go for third variant, then the monthly price will be 14,500 rupees, and same way you can go for half yearly or yearly subscription. So that is about it. That was regarding the pricing for the trade copier. Maximum you can add 50 child accounts in one subscription of a trade copier. If you want a free demo of this product, then you can drop us an email on info@vcharting.com. We provide a 1 day free demo for trade copier. So for that, you can send us an email, and we will set up your account, trade copier account, and we will send you the credentials.
Our contact details are mentioned here. You can contact us to get the system, or if you have any suggestions regarding any of our products, then we would like to hear from you. Lastly, if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, then we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel by clicking the red subscribe button below this video, and click on bell button to get notifications about latest videos on such profitable and powerful tools from VCharting. Thanks for your time and watching this video. Have a great day.